Welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup look is a plum smoky eye, and this is my go-to smoky eye look when I want to put a little bit more effort into my makeup. So if you do want to see how to get this look, keep watching. Hi! So I'm just going to start with the Eyeshadow House Face Blur, and I like to use this as primer just because it smooths, hides pores and tones the face. So I'm just taking my fingers and pat that into my skin. This primer also has SPF 30 in it, 33, which is great. You can still put sunscreen on underneath, but it's kind of good that that one's just built in case you do forget or anything. And next I'm just going to take some of the Eyeshadow House Baby Chalks, and this is kind of like a green tint just because I do tend to get like pretty red in certain areas of my face. I'm just going to spot treat this, so I'm just going to put some there, some here, some on my forehead and around my mouth and nose, because that's the areas where I tend to be just like naturally red. So I'm just going to go in with my base foundation now, and I'm going to take my Eyeliner Skin Velvet foundation, and I'm just in the shade S103, and I'm going to take a few pumps of this, one pump, and dot this on my face. I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender, and this is a new beauty blender finally. My old one was absolutely trashed, so I thought it was time to start using a new one. This is a Real Technique beauty blender, and I dampened it just in case you were wondering, but yeah. I'm just gonna add one more pump on some areas that need extra coverage. As you can tell, this like makes your skin look really glowy and hydrated. It's a great skincare kind of foundation. They are kind of on the higher price range, but if you are someone that wears foundation every single day and you don't want it to be too heavy, the Eyeliner foundation is like the best one to go to be honest. So next I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Chocolate, this one. Okay, so the brows are on. So I'm going to just quickly conceal under my eyes, and I'm taking the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer, and this one is in the shade 1. And I'm going to just pop that under my eyes. Just here and a bit here, and going back in with the beauty blender, just gonna buff it out. I rarely ever like do dewy makeup. My skin looks super dewy right now, but I actually kind of like how it looks. But I'm just going to I'm still gonna powder it just because makeup tends to shift more when it's dewy, so I do like to like lock it in with powder. And I'm just going to do that by using the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder, and this is in the shade Translucent, and I'm just gonna grab a bit of this on my beauty blender and kind of bake under the eyes, just like slightly. So just gonna take a bit of that, pat it in. Just like any other areas that you place the concealer. I don't really ever leave my bake on for that long, so I think I'm just going to wipe that all off with a fluffy brush, and I kind of like to use the excess to kind of like matte the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna go in and rub it down, kind of circle motion it. And now that the face is done for now, let's go into the eyes, and I'll bring you a little closer. The main palette I'm going to be using is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I'm just going to go in with my Zoeva Luxe Crease 228 brush. Ooh. Just take this shade right here, and this is going to be my transition shade. I'm going to go in with that one, tap the excess off, and pop that. So I'm grabbing the 232 Luxe Smoky shades in the Zoeva palette, and I think I'm gonna go in with this purple down here. So this one, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer, and I'm gonna kind of do like a bit of a halo eye. And I'm just gonna buff that out with the brush that I was using before. I think I'm gonna take the dark purple shade, that one, on my fingers with the chunks of glitter, and I'm just gonna pop that in the center of my eyes and blend it out. Just because I want the glitter. And then I'm gonna slowly blend that upwards. And just to kind of brighten the eyes a bit more, I'm going to take the Still Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Storm. And I'm going to pop this in the center of my eyes and blend it out. So just there. Just going to take the same shade, so the dark purple shade, and pop that in my under eye. Okay, so now that the eyeshadow is complete, I'm just gonna quickly wing my eyes using the Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. So now that the eyeliner is on, I'm going to quickly go add some falsies and I'll be right back. So now that my lashes are on, I'm going to quickly pop some Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara on my bottom lashes. If any of you guys are wondering why I don't put mascara on my upper lashes to blend them in with my falsies, it's because mascara always tends to irritate my eyes, and like it doesn't matter what kind of brand it is or if it's like new or old, but every single time I put mascara on my upper lashes it just like hurts. So I just always kind of put them, I always buy mascara just to put on my bottom lashes, and like occasionally I'll put them on the top lashes, but like rarely ever. Yay! So now the eyes are officially done. See? Are you taking down the tree?
Yeah.
Aww. So now I'm going to quickly complete the rest of my face. So I'm just going to take the Becca x Jaclyn Hill Champagne Collection palette. I'm just going to take the bronzy shade, that one right there. And just like slightly, because this color is pretty intense. Just to warm up the face and add a bit of dimension. And I'm just gonna take my Zoeva So I'm just going to grab my Zoeva 129 Luxe Pan, and it's like a fan brush, and just mix these two shades together and then just slightly brush it on my cheekbones. So nice. And then just down my nose, cupid bow. And like a tiny bit on my brow bone. And to complete this makeup look, I'm just going to add some of the Chantecaille lipstick, and this is in the shade Damask. And I absolutely love this. It's super gorgeous. It's like a berry shade, and I've been wearing this like non-stop in December, but I'm just going to apply this onto my lips. And this is the completed makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Can I see it?
My what? My video?
Yes.
I told a video.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see it on YouTube.
YouTube, okay.
Do you like my makeup look?
ปักจริงเนี่ยไหมแม่
惊讶不？
ปักจริง
啊，
ตัว
谢谢。大不？
ปักจริงสิตัว
啊，谢谢。
真的太漂亮了妹妹
啊，谢谢爸爸。